If you have indoor pets, you already know this problem. Diba kahit may urine pad ka nang nabili, minsan basa pa rin yung surface. Tapos nag-iiwan ng amoy sa loob ng bahay. Mali talaga yung pad na nabibili nyo. Guys, this bamboo charcoal pet urine pad, super bilis mag-absorb ng ihi. Hindi nag-i-spread at hindi bumabalik sa ibabaw. This charcoal helps control odor while lacking the liquid inside. Ang bilis niya talagang mag-absorb. Mas dry yung pet area, less smell sa bahay, and less cleaning for me. So if you want a cleaner, fresher home with your pets, this pad is really helpful.